How to review removed friends on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review removed friends on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then click settings and privacy, and now click settings, and here just go down until you find activity log, and now click this one, connections, and then click remove friends, and as you see here you can review your removed friends on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.